So let me tell you something. Temple that is at the center, and there are 4 Shiva temple and 1 Devi temple. Look at the architecture of that time. It's around 1000 years old, but still they are intact completely. Some of the statue are broken. You can see it is the broken part, but most of them are in good condition. This is the unseen deity. These are the storage spaces people used to store. So now I am entering into the Vishwanath temple. This is the temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, and the guide told me that there was a emerald Lord Shiva Linga was there, which is missing. There are 4 Shiva temple and 1 Vishnu temple and 1 Lakshmi. कहाँ से आए हैं आप लोग? कलकत्ता नहीं, ठीक है. So here you can see the inscription. These are in Pali. This is written Om Namah Shivaya. And in front of Lord Shiva, that is the Nandi. The museum is there. Here I see some monuments. And see, these are the temples.